Dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine in your respective homes. With this lecture, I would make you understand the handling procedure of walk-in guest, what are guest folios. In the first part, I will discuss about what are walk-in guests, their importance, and what are the various guidelines to handle such type of guests in the hotel. Let's check out who are walk-in guests. A walk-in guest is a person who has come to hotel without any prior reservation. Accommodating walk-in guests can enhance sale and daily occupancy if they are managed properly. Let's discuss some tips to handle such type of guests by the front office staff. First of all, a front desk agent should treat the guest warmly with a ready smile like he or she is a registered guest, and such a situation or environment should be created so that the guest does not feel any hesitation. Then the guest should be asked about his or her desired length of stay and the room preference. Then according to preference, room should be checked. If according to the preference rooms are available, then such rooms should be offered with the room rate and the other facilities along with. Agrees with the given choice, then the reservation process should be initiated. Otherwise, next options should be offered. Now let's discuss what are the guest folios. The moment the guest enters a hotel, a file is created with the name of the guest, which is also known as the master bill in the hotel or guest account card. Let's discuss some key points for this. Right after successful guest registration, a folio is created automatic in the hotel's software, computerized software, or manually also. Second point is guest folio is opened with a zero outstanding balance, and all such information is recorded in the file to handle the future transactions. Next is guest folios are always presented in the checkout period, and this is mandatory to take advance payment in case of walk-in guest and scanty bag. Advisable to take some advance payment for few days in case of long-term guests, and same is to be updated in the guest folio also. Now we'll discuss the type of vouchers like visitors paid out, cash receipt voucher, travel agent voucher, and other miscellaneous voucher. Now let's discuss what do we actually mean by vouchers. Vouchers are actually a document or a proof which is required by front office department for the financial transaction. Let's discuss various types of vouchers. First of all, cash receipt voucher, which is a written document or a receipt against the cash in hand. Telephone call voucher is generated if calls are made through the operator and the same are raised against. Visitors paid out voucher, which is also known as VPO, is a cash paid out by the hotel on behalf of guests. For example, taxi fare, cinema tickets, medicines, etc. Guest allowance voucher is a rebate or deduction given to the guest for any compensation. Restaurant or bar check voucher is a detail of charges of food or drinks he has taken. Travel agent voucher detailing the accommodation, transport, food and entertainment to be provided. Or commission agent voucher which is given to the agent. Let's discuss various debit and credit entries for folios. Debit entries are like room rate, food and beverage, laundry, telephone and other facilities. Credit entries are like prepayment, part payment and other allowances. With these entries, settlement of account is done, which is also known as zero out, that is final step in the guest accounting cycle. With this, balance of the account is calculated with the formula which is given like opening balance plus debit entries minus credit entries is equal to outstanding balance. If debit is there, then guest has to pay. If credit is there, then the hotel refunds to the guest. And with this, the final account is settled for the guest. Thank you.